Okay, so hi dear Virgo, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus rising from 6th till the 12th of January. Keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box. And you can book your slots accordingly, and or you can mail us if you have any queries. So let's start, Virgo. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Fool card, the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, this is someone who feels like taking the risk of doing something about the situation, but right now they're working on this energy of coming out of this pain, coming out of this feeling like a wounded warrior kind of a deal. And this person's guards are up. They feel like they should now it's the right time for them to keep their guards down, to put their guards down, but they're working on that. So they feel slowly and steadily. They feel like they should uh, start putting their guards down day by day. My hand is going like this. Can you see that? And they feel like they should take the risk of doing that, but they feel like they should do it slowly, very slowly. Okay, now their guards are up maybe from quite a long time now, Virgo. Now this person is feeling like opening up to the situation again, but very very slowly. They feel like they should take the risk of opening up to the situation again between you and them, but it's not going to be like, okay, just like that. They feel like, okay, let's do it very very slowly. Let's maybe say hi to Virgo, or unblock Virgo, or something like that, taking the first step. Okay, this is what they feel. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the King of Swords, the Ten of Cups, the Three of Swords. Wow. See, they want to come forward towards you with a very clear cut message of, are we going to be together for the rest of our lives? If not, goodbye. Don't ever try to think about me. Don't ever try to think about this connection, because I don't want to get my heart broken over and over and over again and again and again. This is it. So somebody wants to have a very clear cut communication about the future direction of the situation between you and them, because they don't want to get hurt again ever in this situation between you and them. So they want to make sure that if they are coming back, or if they are allowing you to come back, go back to them, you guys are going to create something beautiful together. Else they just don't want to repeat the same cycle again in the situation whatsoever. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 10th, by the 12th of January. We have the High Priestess, the Judgment, and the Four of Cups. They're thinking a lot about forgiveness and or asking for forgiveness from their side, but they're supremely confused like what they should do or what they should not do in this direction. That is why this person is keeping their mouth shut. Either they're waiting for some kind of message communication or big kind of apology from your side, and that is keeping them stuck. And or they want to apologize to you for whatever happened, but at the same time they are not able to understand how to do that and when to do that, and that is why this person is keeping their mouth and energy shut. Now again, this person is trying their best to open up to you slowly in steps. That is why they are going to take time in order to connect with you properly, honestly, with all of their heart and soul kind of a deal. It's going to take time, Virgo. It's not going to happen overnight, but there are very good chances that this is going to happen someday. Not right now, though. Guidance for you, Knight of Swords. Don't be in rush. Don't be in any kind of rush or hurry in making any kind of life changing decision in this direction of your life, in this love and relationship area of your life. You might be too much in hurry to even maybe connecting with somebody, like, I have to do that because I love this person, they have to be with me. And or you are too much in rush of cutting this person out of your life. My like I don't care what they do, I don't care if they die, I don't care if they are living like or not, or something like that. So basically, don't be in any kind of rush or hurry in making any kind of life changing decisions when it comes to your love and relationship area. It's not about this person only, it's about actually any person, any situation you are going to connect with or you're already connected to. Take your time, take your decision, make your decision wisely, then move to the next chapter. Highly recommended. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Vargo, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.